Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 23rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. It is once again payday, and it's time for me to do my weekly payment proof video. I do these not to brag or because I think I'm better than anybody on this team. There's certainly a lot more people making more money than me, but I do these to show people that it is possible to make good money with LiveGood and to continue to make good money and build up your team by just doing some income producing activities every day and staying consistent. All right, so you can see right here, I'm in my back office, Russ, and today is the 23rd of February, and I was paid $148. Okay, this is for pay period February 11th through February 17th, and I'm just going to click on this and give you a quick breakdown. Okay, here you can see I made $30 on the membership referral bonus and $118 on the affiliate referral bonus, and I'll show you the detailed views of both of these really quick. All right, you can see here I'm still silver rank. I'm working towards gold. I'm about 2/3 of the way there, and this pay period I had 2 personally enrolled members join, so I earned $5 on both of them, and then I earned $1 on all the level 2s, and I had a bunch of 50 cents on level 3 and 4. All right, now I'll show you the affiliate referral bonus detailed view here. All right, again, I'm getting paid silver. I had 2 personally enrolled members, so I had $20 a piece from them. Now, as a silver member, all right, everyone gets paid 50% on their personal referrals, but as a silver member, you get paid 10% on your second level and then 5% on your third and fourth levels, okay? So $20 for my personals. I had $4, a bunch of $4 on my second level, which is 10% of the $40, and then I had a lot more of the 5%, which is $2 on levels 3 and 4. All right, so for a total of $118 here, giving me a grand total of $148. All right, so that is that. And now I'm going to take you back here and show you how quickly the team is growing. All right, I have 455 total team members right now. I have 2 of the 3 legs with silver needed for gold this month. And this is actually 20 out of 30. I have 20 personal referrals. This will go down if somebody hasn't paid their membership. But my understanding is that if somebody doesn't pay their membership on their due date, they have until the end of the month to keep it active and not lose their spot in the matrix, okay? So this is really 20. And I'll show you what my matrix looks like really quick. All right, because after tonight, this is cutoff night. All right, every Thursday is our cutoff day. And after tonight, these numbers are going to go up even more, all right? But you can see right here, I have 20 personals. I brought in 4 personals this month. I'm averaging about 1 a week, a little over 1 a week. And if I click on all here, you're going to see that just this month alone, our team has grown by 149 new members. All right, so it's absolutely crazy. This is what my matrix list looks like. As a silver, you get paid 13 levels deep, okay? And this is what it looks like. So my first 4 levels are completely filled. And then I got some big numbers down here. My 8th level, 72. 12th level, 63. And after tonight's cutoff, these numbers are going to go up significantly. All right, so if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about LiveGood and how this company can change your life, you can click on the link in the description. It'll take you over here to my tour page that looks just like this. We have a 6-minute video here. You can reserve your position in our matrix by entering your first and last name and a valid email address. Click and reserve my position now. It's free to do this, and you can opt out anytime. Again, you have until tonight to lock in the best possible position in our matrix, all right, before it resets tomorrow. So this is something you want to get in. The products are outstanding. I've been taking them since December 28th, and every single day, and I love them. And I just finished up some essential aminos, and I can't say enough good things about this company. So I'm super excited to be a part of it. I'm blessed to be a part of it. So if you're looking for a sponsor who is available, who answers their phone, who answers their messages and gets back to people and wants to genuinely see you succeed, then send me a message. I'd love to talk with you, okay? Or better yet, just click on the link and sign up, and I'll send you some more information once I see you join the team, okay? So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.